Hello, my name is Kim Tran and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. Today you're here with me in my little greenhouse, and I would love to share with you some resources so that you can also have a successful system for your home. A wonderful resource is the Fort Worth Public Library. They have so many databases and even digital magazines. So come join me and learn how to access your free materials. Now that you've seen my green space, I hope you feel inspired to start your own. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you some resources to get you started. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the browser to find the Fort Worth Public Library Overdrive website. So it's right up here. And from there, you can even search magazines. And as you can see under magazines, there's health and food magazines, but you can also access garden magazines. So we can search Gardens Illustrated. And those are wonderful magazines to get your creative juices flowing. Now, if you see these beautiful magazines and wonder how to get the nitty-gritty how-to part of it, there's also resources for you. So we're going to exit the Overdrive app and go right to the Fort Worth Public Library website right here. And then we're going to go ahead and access the digital content. And from there to databases. Okay. And as you can see, we have a wonderful selection. My favorite place is the do-it-yourself area. And under here, you can see there's the Home Improvement Reference Center. Gonna go there. And then right here, it has things from A to Z to remodeling. I even saw welding in there. But for now, we're gonna do outdoor. And under outdoor, we're gonna go to green design. And from there, we have drip irrigation systems. So if you feel inspired to create a sustainable system for your home, feel free to come here and look. We have resources that define from the parts to installation. So I hope you feel your creative juices flowing, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!